What a freaking morning. Check this out, guys. So we just recapped or finished up our live trading session. I shorted Tesla, but man, I did not catch this full thing. I ended up covering early, and I'll explain in just a little bit. I walked away with $8,067 on this short. And then originally during my live trading session, this is the thing I'm really proud of. How many times do you guys enter a position too early, you regret it because direction changes, and then you feel like the market's against you? Wake up call. Market's not against you. You're not important. I'm not important to the overall market, right? No one's chasing us. No one's going against us. It's, can we be patient enough to give the market the time that it needs to paint its picture for the day? That's really what our focus should be, right? So this morning during our live trading session, I really tried to stay patient. Coin ran up, it pulled on back, and then became very oversold. I opened a very, very small position, right? So I looked at previous support levels. I was like, okay, perfect. We pulled on back. I looked at the 1 minute, was like, okay, I'm going to go in. I think I went in with like 100 shares, 100 share increments, which is relatively really small because I traded with over $500,000. Bought in, began indicating signs of a support, bought in again, showed indication of support, bought in again, then went 250 shares, then 500 shares, and then I played it safe. It was approaching previous resistance level from the pre-market session. I locked in profits. I made about $5,000. Then all of a sudden, I don't know why, this thing ripped up to 137. I missed that entire thing, right? But guess what? Now that it became overbought, it most likely is going to retrace and correct itself. And this is where I prepared to open my short position. Opened a small short. I announced it to my LPP team. Saw lower lows, lower highs, got the sell signal, stepped on the gas. Began to break below, broke below the moving average, sold off, and I just covered. I fully sold out of my coin short. You can see that I have the -1 shares, but I left myself with $26,000. So on this trade alone, because of the ability to be able to short it on the way down, again, this thing can continue to sell off and might actually sell off to lows of 130. I wanted to play it safe. I exceeded my daily goal. This is not an average day. This is 2 days in a row. Yesterday I made over 30K, and today 26,000 on coin, and then on Tesla itself, I made 8,000. I'm done trading for the day. I can enjoy it, and I can prepare for tomorrow's free live trading. You guys, I can't thank you guys enough. You guys got yesterday's later video over 1,000 likes. I hope you can do the same with this one. I'm hosting a free live trading session tomorrow, right at market open. And you do have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel and get this video to over 1,000 likes. I am posting updates and links on Instagram. If you want to stay up to date with that, that's the third link in the description down below. But you don't want to miss this one out. If you want to be able to see every entry, every exit, but most importantly, hear every thought process behind every trade I take, then again, that's exactly what we're going to be doing tomorrow, live in real time. And all you have to do is wake up right at market open, because that's exactly when it is that I'm going to be going live. If you have any questions about this free live trading, shoot me a direct message right now, either via Discord or via Instagram, which is all linked in the description down below. Don't be a stranger, and please set your alarms. Don't sleep in, especially if you want to tune on in. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.